Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my Doodleoze review. We're going to be talking about Doodleoze, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with Doodleoze. Doodleoze goes live on the 22nd of January by 10 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is an application. This is a desktop application for Windows and also for Mac. So whichever type of computer you use, you can actually download this, install this on your system, and then you can actually use this. Now, this allows you to create doodle videos. I'm sure you've seen this type of videos on YouTube. One of the bonuses I'm giving you actually talks about how to make money with videos, especially on YouTube, without you having to show your face on camera. So there are a number of ways you can actually monetize the kind of videos you can actually create with Doodleoze. Now, apart from the fact that you can actually use these videos on your sales pages, you've probably seen a lot of sales pages with these Doodle videos. Now, the very cool thing about this type of videos is that they actually grab people's attention easily. So if you are doing any type of marketing at all and you really don't want to show your face on camera, rather you want to do stuff that is proven to capture people's attention, and practically sell anything, I highly recommend using Doodleoze. Now, we are going to be talking about this, and also I'm going to let you see how Doodleoze works. As a matter of fact, right here on my bonus page, you can come check out the full demo of Doodleoze on this video right here on my bonus page, and you find the link to this page in the description of this video. So the first bonus I'm giving you, you're going to be getting access to a video traffic software. Now, with Vidizy, you don't even have to create any videos. Now, this allows you to drive traffic from other people's viral videos to any link. So this is a traffic software you can actually use to drive a ton of traffic, either to your affiliate links or to any sales page, or even to your own Doodle videos to get a ton of views. Now, this works in any niche. You can just log into the cloud-based software, search using any keyword, and then you can actually place your links on top of these viral videos. Now, you can even upload images, and these images will show up on the playback of these videos. These images will be clickable, and when people click on your images, it's going to take them to your affiliate links. You can also create your own clickable call to actions. You can create opt-in forms and make them show up on these videos. So with the opt-in forms, you can actually build your list while still redirecting people to your affiliate links. You're going to be getting access to the upgrade that allows you to create unlimited campaigns. Also, bonus number 2, I'm going to be showing you in a video a number of ways you can actually make money with YouTube, creating this kind of simple videos that even teenagers can easily create. You can create these videos that literally make you money on YouTube a number of ways. And I'm going to be showing you free software you can use to easily create and edit these videos. These are highly effective marketing materials, and I'm actually going to be showing you a number of ways you can use these videos to make money without you ever having to show your face on camera. Also, with number 3, I'm going to be giving you access to a Facebook traffic software that allows you to put your Facebook traffic on steroids. And of course, this works in any niche also. This comes with a page builder that allows you and ultimately makes the process a lot easier for you. Bonus number 4, you're going to be getting access to done for you PowerPoint video templates that are completely customizable. The cool thing here is you don't need any special software to customize these templates. You can easily load them up in PowerPoint, which comes with Windows, and then you can, customize this, use them for any purpose. You can use it to promote digital products, physical products, or you can even offer this as a gig on marketplaces like Fiverr and create videos. Because once you customize this, you can go and hit the export button in PowerPoint to create MP4 videos for YouTube, for Twitter, for Facebook, for TikTok, or any other video social media platform. And of course, bonus number 5, I'm going to be giving you access to a training that shows you how to make money on Fiverr, without doing almost any work at all. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to some custom HD intro videos you can use, to start your videos, even to start your Doodle videos. This allows you to actually get people's attention and increases your retention on your videos. You want to grab people's attention the best way you can, if you want people to view your videos and you want to get the best conversions if you are promoting any product. And also, bonus number 7, you're going to be getting access to 4,000 plus images and quotes you can actually use with your Doodle videos, to get attention, to drive a ton of traffic, and to make a ton of money with your videos. Bonus number 8, I am going to be showing you exactly how to make upwards of $100 per day with affiliate marketing on completely free traffic in this video training here. And also, bonus number 9, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also. So to claim these bonuses, simply click on any of the red buttons on this page and it's going to take you to the sales page of Doodleoze. This is where you're going to be able to pick it up and where you're going to be getting full information about the Doodle video creator software. So you are going to be able to access this page once this goes live on the 22nd of January by 10 a.m. Eastern time. And as soon as you pick up Doodleoze, you're going to be able to access your bonuses in your members area of Warrior Plus. Simply log in, go to your purchases, you find Doodleoze, and then you find my own bonuses right next to it. So I'm going to let you see how this works right now. But before then, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you the pricing. So the front end gives you access to the software. You can actually create whiteboard videos, the Doodle effects videos, gives you all those features. You can actually, customize, give it some motion effects and all the cool stuff. This goes for a one-time fee of $17. Which is pretty cool. Now there are some optional upgrades like the agency, like the club version, 500 characters, 1,700 drum character pack, and also speed deal, which are all completely optional. Even if all you get is just the front end, you still get access to keep all my custom bonuses. So that's going to be my review of Doodleoze. Right now, stay tuned for the demo.
Now, I'm sure you're wondering how easy such an amazing Doodle video is to create, so let's jump right in. Here we are inside the Doodleoze platform, which is a desktop software available for both PC and Mac. The first thing you'll notice is how easily laid out Doodleoze is. Okay, let me show you how quick and easy you can make a great Doodle animation video. First, if we take a look here, we can add multiple objects onto the canvas, like background music or voiceover, videos, images, and text. We'll start by adding a video to the background, like this. Any video added to the scene has a sketch by hand animation effect attached by default. So in this window here, we have some options for this sketch effect, but we'll leave it as default and continue. Next, we need to scale the video full screen size, like this. Okay, good. Now if we take a look here, we can see the sketch animation added to the video. And we can adjust the animation playtime, replace it, remove it, or add a new animation. Okay, let's jump further. Next, we'll click this button to open our sketch image gallery. Then, we'll select an image. Once it's loaded, we're able to drag the image around and edit it as we want. Now, let's go back to the timeline here and move the newly added image so it starts playing after the video sketch animation is finished. Now, let's make it a bit more interesting by adding extra animation. Like this. Click here, then zoom and drag like this. Then add a new point and reposition it here, like this. And if you want, you can continue adding as many points as you like and move it around the screen, like this. Okay, I'm going to undo that for now. 2 points are enough for this demo. So next we'll add a new sketch image, reposition it on the canvas, add a fly-in by hand animation to it, and move it on the timeline. Next we'll add another image, and repeat the steps above. Okay, let's add a quick text here. Good. Now we can drag it around and easily edit the text here on the right side. We can edit everything, from font, text size, color, and more. And on the timeline, we can easily add an animation. We'll use a sketch by hand, like this. The timeline makes it easy to set the exact time you want each animation of this video to be displayed for. And finally, to make it even better, let's add some great background music, like this. Alright, let's take a look at what we just created together. And voila, you can see the video we just made together in this demo. There's no doubt that Doodle animation videos are the #1 choice of digital marketers. And with Doodleoze, you'll be able to create amazing Doodle videos in minutes, just like the ones we've made in this demo. As you just saw, Doodleoze has eliminated the guesswork, the cost, and is taking the creation of Doodle video to the next level.